A peer-to-peer network, sometimes referred to as a P2P network, is one of the key parts of blockchain technology and is a huge improvement in how we store our data. But let's start with, what is a network? A network is a group of interconnected devices that exchange information. These devices can be connected locally, via cable, or wirelessly through the internet. The most commonly used type of network is a centralized client-server model. A client-server network is a single server, often operated by a single entity such as one company. This server will handle all of the tasks and requests on the network and store all the information exchanged. Because there is a central authority storing and managing all the information, this model has some serious problems. For example, all of the private data can be stolen by hacking one server, and a user has almost no control in the way that their information is controlled or even exploited. For example, you don't own any of the photos that you upload to social media. The company that owns the social media network owns your photos, and it can do whatever it likes with them. Blockchain networks are different from traditional client-server models because there is no central point of storage and therefore no controlling party. Instead, all of the information on the network is constantly recorded and transferred between the participants on the network, who all store multiple identical copies of the network's information. These participants are known as nodes, or peers. So, a peer-to-peer network is a distributed network that stores and transfers data without a central server. Blockchain technology is built on top of P2P networks. Having no central point of storage makes the information on a network far less vulnerable to being hacked, exploited, or lost, which is why P2P networks and blockchain technology in particular are seen as huge improvements on traditional centralized models and are the future of data storage and ownership.